here. So I am delighted to show you these Korean Glow dupes. And I know I said I wasn't going to try and bring in any more skincare until I'd got through my inventory. However, I must try these products to let you know what you think about them. So if you've ever heard of the Korean brand, I think it's Glow, and they do these really funky kind of packaging products. But Aldi have duped them, and they are famously good for their dupes. And Aldi tends to be vegan and cruelty free, and I think they're always cruelty free, but you know, they're not always vegan because that's not always possible, but the fact that they're always cruelty free is amazing to me. So this is the Lacura Avocado Bright Eyes. Now if your Lidl's sold out, they will, if you're Aldi, not your Lidl, if your Aldi's sold out, they are bringing them back sporadically, I've heard. So it's worth always checking in your middle aisle. I've kind of I've pointed them out to Steve, and he kept saying to me, is that it? No, it's fine. But so this is the Lacura Watermelon Gel Moisturiser. Look at that packaging. And this is the Lacura Pineapple Face Serum. And I think that might be the bin cleaning lorry. So I'm just going to open this up here. So the pineapple face serum, it says with pineapple extract, vitamin C and turmeric. So all of those things, especially turmeric, are really good for your skin. But look at this packaging. Isn't it just so cute? Some people might say it's a bit garish, but I think it's really, really cute. So I am going to kind of pop some on my hand and let you know what I think about it. But I just love the packaging. 35 mils you get. I think everything's about $4.99. So it's got the dropper. So I'm just going to drop a couple of drops. I think this will last a while because a couple of drops will go a long way. So that feels really nice. It does have a faint smell to it as well. Oh, that's good. So yep, I'm really looking forward to trying this. I will give you an update on how I get on with it. So as I say, I think that will last a long time. The next one here is the Watermelon Gel Moisturiser. So it's got vitamin E, niacinamide, which is fantastic for your skin, and watermelon fruit extract. So that's 50 mils. Again, this will last you a good while. But just look at the packaging. It is so cool. So the serum is the serum's sitting on top of my skin. My skin feels lovely and soft. It doesn't feel like an oil, but I could still feel it for a while sitting on the surface of my hand there, but now it's kind of dried in. My skin feels so soft and it smells so good. Anyway, oh, look, oh, battery. My battery's running low, so I need to be quick. But look, this is it here, the gel moisturiser. I have cleaned my hands. I'm going to pop. Oh, and it smells overwhelmingly of watermelon. Now, if you don't like watermelon, this might not be for you. But it smells really fresh, and it's gel moisturiser. Now, I don't always get on too well with gel moisturiser, so I'll see how I get on with this one. I don't like anything that leaves my face feeling wet and sticky, and sometimes gel moisturisers do that. But yeah, that one smells amazing. Absolutely gorgeous. So the next item here is Lacura Avocado Bright Eyes. So I'm going to open it here, and what does it say about it? It's an overnight retinol sleeping mask for your eyes with coffee seed extract, avocado oil, retinol and shea butter. So you only put this on at night. But look at the packaging. And anything with retinol on is, it will take away your fine lines. It's the only thing without a prescription that will take away fine lines. So that's it there. And it's not got a strong smell to it. I'm just going to dip my pinky in and pop some here. Oh, I'm really looking forward to using this. This will probably replace my eye cream that I use at night. So guys, did you manage to get hold of this? If not, just keep trying it out. Don't be tempted to go on, and people are selling it on eBay. In fact, I saw one that I was looking at that was relisted, because obviously they didn't get anybody looking at Some of them you'll get the trio for similar price that you would buy in Aldi, but I would just wait until it comes into Aldi. It's glass as well. So the packaging is just, honestly, they've duped the Korean Glow, but the packaging is just amazing. And actually, I think the pineapple face serum's about 30 odd quid or 40 odd quid, so it's quite an impressive brand, and they do have this funky packaging. So I'm really looking forward to trying it actually, and it's quite exciting. For me to try these. I am so sad. Normally to me a moisturiser is just a moisturiser and a serum's just a serum, but I think that just the packaging's kind of cheered me right up, and the retinol sleep mask I'm hoping will work wonders for my eyes. I'll wake up in the morning feeling like a new person. Anyway guys, let me know, do you want to try this? Have you managed to get your hands on it? And if you've tried it already, let me know what you think. As I say, I've not tried it yet, but I will try it so that I can come back and do a wee video to let you know how I've got on with it. So I'll catch up with you soon guys, and if you haven't, please subscribe and hit that bell and you'll see more content like this. Speak to you later guys, bye bye.